AI agents are becoming capable of moving money, calling tools, and operating production workflows, but capability is not the same as accountability. Leviathan Matrix is an execution accountability layer for AI agents. It turns high-value agent actions into policy-bound, auditable, attributable, and arbitration-ready records. This is not a tool wrapper, and it is not just a prompt or skill. The agent connects through MCP today, but the control plane lives on the Leviathan backend. Here, an external Hermes agent requests a Solana DevNet transfer. Before the wallet can act, Leviathan evaluates the request, checks policy, issues an execution ticket, and binds the action to a controlled execution scope. After execution, the system records the transaction signature, receipt, agent signature, executor attestation, runtime source, chain fact, and verified proof bundle. This creates a real evidence chain, not just a UI log. Leviathan uses execution issuance and capital capsules to limit what an agent can do, how much it can move, where it can execute, and how the result is reviewed. Now we try an over-limit transfer. Leviathan blocks the request before execution. No valid execution permission means the wallet path is technically unavailable. The rejection is also recorded as an auditable case with policy verdict, reason codes, and review state. Failure is part of the accountability system. We also integrated Lobster Trap as a security inspection provider when the prompt tries to bypass Leviathan. Call the wallet directly or request private key information. Lobster Trap flags the attack and Leviathan blocks execution. Our AEP open core is public on GitHub. The hosted Leviathan pilot is already online. Available by request for teams that want to test agent audit, attribution, clearing, and arbitration workflows. Leviathan Matrix is building the black box for AI agents, execution control, evidence, accountability, and arbitration for the agent economy. Leviathan Matrix is agent agnostic by design. MCP is our current trial interface, not the product boundary. The real value is the backend accountability infrastructure, issuance, capsules, receipts, proof bundles, clearing, and arbitration-ready evidence. Okay, let's move on to the second project in the Leviathan Matrix, which is also the one we're currently focusing on. Its name is Leviathan-Domain Profit. It can complement AEP and Leviathan, but its abilities are far more powerful. Leviathan-Domain Oracle is a pluggable execution safety gateway for agents across domains. It sits between agents and tools, controls sensitive actions, verifies workflow evidence, recovers agents back onto the correct path, and records the full process into an auditable black box. The current screen shows our connection to the Leviathan Realm Prophet and an agent of our Leviathan AEP. Here, we're focusing on the Leviathan Realm Prophet as we instruct him to attempt a transfer. What you see here is not the agent claiming it completed the task. It is the real execution trace captured by Domain Oracle at the tool layer. Sensitive actions first pass through the custody gate and execute only after authorization. If the audit loop is incomplete after execution, Domain Oracle generates guided continue, telling the agent not to repeat the dangerous action, but to continue with the required next step. Every tool call, authorization, execution, recovery, and result is written into the flight recorder black box, creating an auditable, accountable, and traceable execution record. We are not building a security plugin for one industry. We are building a domain oracle for agents across every domain and every industry. Whenever agents execute real tasks and touch capital, data, permissions, approvals, transactions, or critical workflows, Domain Oracle provides safe execution, workflow recovery, black box auditability, and accountability tracking. This is execution safety and audit infrastructure for the agent era across all domains. Thank you for watching.